What's doing? We have new product in stock. That's right, N80 from 2015 through to current. So that's Gen 1, 2 and 3. 3-inch exhaust systems, turbo back with res or straight through. Have a listen to this one. This one's got a res. We'll give it a start up, we'll give it a rev, and we'll do a drive away. And you'll see our new products are in stock, on the shelf, ready to go. So yeah, that's right, these are in stock, ready to go. That one's got a res. We'll do one with a straight through as well so you can see the difference, but we have them in stock, ready to go. Give us a call, 1-800-776-243.